as Shiba Inu DEX locks in $1.5 billion one day after launch, but devastatingly fails DeFi safety reviews. What do you think happened? Is this a mere coincidence or just negligence? The creators of Shiba Inu have launched a new DeFi platform called ShibaSwap that will act as a decentralized exchange, DEX, and facilitate token swaps. Welcome to another Bash Box video. So before we proceed, if any of these topics interests you and want to follow along, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification icon so that YouTube will send you a notification when I release a video. We just hit 2,000 subscribers. So once again, a big thank you for that. I really appreciate it. So if you're feeling generous, I greatly appreciate if you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. It tells YouTube to share this video with other audiences. So if you do all that, I will greatly appreciate it. And before we jump into it, if you follow this channel or some of the other meme coin channels, you'll know what is going on in the cryptocurrency space, so hit the subscribe button. Without any further delays, let's get started. The original release of the ShibaSwap exchange created a 14% spike in value for SHIB coin. However, the coin eventually dropped to around $0.0000388, which is 78% below the coin's all-time high, according to Cointelegraph. As Shiba Inu DEX locks in $1.5 billion one day after launch but devastatingly fails DeFi safety reviews. What do you think happened? Is this a mere coincidence or just negligence? The creators of Shiba Inu have launched a new DeFi platform called ShibaSwap that will act as a decentralized exchange, DEX, and facilitate token swaps. The ShibaSwap DEX has amassed over $1.54 billion of total value locked, TVL, in a little over 24 hours since its launch, but some DeFi experts have raised concerns over the safety of the project. DeFi Safety, an initiative that reviews the processes and transparency of various crypto projects, gave ShibaSwap a score of just 3% in its review, saying in a tweet that the protocol was a prime example of what absolute negligence looks like. DeFi analyst Chris Bleck also took to Twitter to highlight that all the funds locked in ShibaSwap could be drained by one Ethereum account. ShibaSwap then switched ownership to a new Gnosis multi-SIG with unknown signers and fresh addresses. The problem? It's possible to create a multi-SIG and own all the keys yourself. Hundreds of millions of dollars in tokens could disappear at any moment in the current state should the developer choose, said developer Joseph Schiarizzi in a Medium article explaining how ShibaSwap developers could steal all funds. Shiba Inu has a sentimental market at the moment, with the current level of this digital coin price standing around $0.000085 at the time of creating this video, with a circulating supply of 394,796,000,000,000 SHIB. The 24-hour trading volume of this crypto is $376,179,168, with a market capitalization of $3,369,137,756. Based on our SHIB price prediction, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 is $0.000670. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 737.5%. Wallet investor. The analysts believe the price of Shiba Inu will increase in the coming years. It is predicted that by the end of 2021, the price may rise and reach $0.0000202, which is twice the current price. Changely. Our data indicates that the asset price has reflected a massive bull run for the past year, and it has tremendous long-term earning potential. The future price of the asset is predicted at $0.000018 by the end of this year. Gov Capital. The Shiba Inu price is forecasted to reach $0.0000121 by the beginning of December 2021. The expected maximum price is $0.0000155, Minimum price $0. 0.000105. The Shiba Inu price prediction for the end of the month is $0. 0.000124. Trading beasts. As per the latest news, research, and Shiba token price prediction, the coin might cross $0.00001258 by the end of 2021, and by 2025, it may record a new ATH around $0.000040. Digital coin price. Based on our analysis, the results are not very encouraging as the bears may be back for SHIB, and the SHIB price may drop to $0.00000009 in 2022 and pose a risk for investors. As we've noted before, cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin often rise in value when there's a lot of social media hype. A constant conversation about the coins can encourage more people to invest, which will ultimately raise the price and value of the coins. Is Shiba Inu a good investment? Tell us in the comment section, as it has proved that it can surprise investors either positively or negatively. There should not be any heartbreaks nor any overjoyous explanations required if you invest thoughtfully. That will be all for now, guys. I really appreciate you giving this a big thumbs up as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.